So this morning we're heading back to Circle L Farms. We're going to be moving some goats.
Yep.
So let's see how that goes. You ready, buddy?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Yo, what's up? So we're back out here at the farm. We got to move the goats today. So it's going to be kind of cool. We got some portable electric fencing that we're going to have to move. I think we're going to have to clear some area further down into the woods so we can actually run the fence. But it's going to be pretty cool. You can hear all the chickens over there sounding off this morning. And we might catch some roosters out later on. So this ought to be cool. So we're going to be moving this portable netting here. You can get this netting at I think Premier One, and it's solar powered, so you can literally put it anywhere. Step over, try not to fall down. So we're down here in the woods. We're gonna have to clear out some new paths down in here so we can move everything over. The goats did a pretty good job right here. Cleared this out, and that'll make for some new growth. Because this whole area right here looked like that about a week ago. So it's amazing what goats can do. We got to get all the way down into there so we can get the goats over there, get everything cleared out. So the plan is to bring the fence through here. Kind of beat down a little path. Can't really see it. There's a path we cut right through there. And so we're going to bring the fence through that area. So this portable fencing is pretty simple to install. You got these forks on the bottom. So literally all you do, you just stand it in place where you want it, push it into the ground, and there you go. All right, so when you got to connect two strands together,
you have these ends, and you just snap together. I mean, you can put them either way. You just want them to touch, basically.
So you just got to make sure they got a good connection there.
Yep.
And that's it, just the one connection.
Yep, that's it. And then
just kind of tie them together.
You tie them together. We use either hay string, or it comes with these black things that are kind of like shoelaces. What it looks like.
Oh yeah, I bet those get lost.
we use those a lot, but we lost some of them. So.
Yeah.
You just want something that's not gonna, conduct electricity.
Right.
So,
right.
And I always tie it for goats. I always tie it on the outside, because we found if we tie it on the inside, the
They'll
goats let
untie it.
Out.
Yeah.
They untie it and they let themselves out. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, there they go. There they go.
And then attach that so they won't close themselves up in there. Hey, come on. Come on.
Goats.
Yeah.
The light brown one
Yeah.
is Kiko Boar Cross.
Okay.
The dark brown one is Kiko Nigerian.
Okay.
And then the little brown one is Nigerian dwarf. And the dark brown one, the taller one, he's half Nigerian dwarf and half standard Nigerian.
Okay.
they're
So
all
just a dwarf, they're just a
more like a
shorter breed.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That
This portable fencing is ran off of solar power. So there's basically a rechargeable battery inside this unit that's solar powered, and then it is just wired. It's wired straight into the fence right here. And you can run with this size here. You can run, I think it's like 3 to 5 fences, and the fences are about 160 feet per fence. All right, so there you go. So we just moved about a little over 400 feet of fence, and it took about an hour to move. So this temporary fencing is the way to go. And as you can see, we've got goats in there. So if it'll hold goats, it'll hold a lot of things. So now we're trying to catch out some roosters. Got to get some roosters they're going to take to market, and they're not wanting to cooperate too well. Come on, let the door. You got it.
No. I can't do it.
Well, hold on to the chicken. He'll open the door for you.
And then you can put him in there.
There you go.
I'm scared of that fat one.
The fat one ain't gonna do nothing.
He can't do
There you go.
anything.
All right, put him in there.
There you go. Good job.
Good job, bud. See? Woo. That's a lot of running. So when you're catching chickens, you try to grab them by their feet. And when you hold them upside down, they kind of chill out. There you go. We grabbed about 12 real quick, and these birds they're going to go back to the market.